guys, it's now Thursday morning. I've just jumped in the car and I'm heading up to Birmingham to meet Adam and Lloyd. So they were up there at 7:30 this morning to install a floor, and we're all going to now meet at a garage for Al Barrett. So for those that don't know, he's the founder of the Grenade Energy brand. So we're doing a cool project with him for a big garage, so stay tuned and we're going to show you today's installation. Just arrived, just going to clean up the triple garage, just moved everything to the back because the weather's going to be a bit touch and go. I'm going to sweep it all out and get started. Right, so we've just arrived at the job. Adam and Lloyd have just joined me here as well. We're just going to clean everything up and get started. Just doing a few videos with some grenade props, so stay tuned and you'll see the video later. That's all the full tiles laid. We're now going to start cutting around the edges. So that's us all finished here. We're just packing up. Thanks for watching this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on next week's video.